The Bundh project was conceived to revive a degraded forest strip along a canal as a green mobility corridor and linear nature park. Historically, the 5.2-kilometer Bundh was an earthen dam west of the Aravalli Ridge and connecting two erstwhile settlements. This now runs across 5 sectors in the city with diverse edge conditions and roads intersecting the Bundh, dividing it into segments. The project started with a filthy canal, a degenerated forest, and a Bundh filled with garbage and pigs everywhere. The intervention adopted a 3-pronged approach, starting with restoring the Bundh, desilting and cleaning the canal, and finally planting on embankments with native vegetation to create a barrier-free eco-mobility corridor. Funded by many MNCs with CSR funds, the complete project was implemented in 7 phases over 3 years. It is an urban mobility corridor. It allows people from all walks of life to cut across the city. Old curbs were repurposed to make toe walls, and salvaged construction debris made a good base layer for paving. Along the lengths of the pathways, we have water recharge pits which overflow into the canal, so all the stormwater is allowed to percolate back into the earth. This ensures zero discharge from the site into the municipal drains. It is absolutely fantastic. We have this large nala next to the Bundh. While restoring the Bundh, the nala has also got protected and cleaned. I think that's actually the real benefit of the project.
This is a brilliant idea because it creates a safe space for women to commute to work. Like we saw retired people, it's a great place for them to walk. And you're creating a green lung.
Hidden gem of nature where you can see so many birds and you're really just half an hour from home and you're in the middle of nature.
हम लोग यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं, हमें कोई ये खतरा नहीं है कि हम किसी गाड़ी से एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा या पोल्यूशन तो है ही कम नेचुरली.
And this is such an amazing place for us to use on a day-to-day basis.
So this was wasteland, but it's miraculous the way this has been transformed. What is best is that it's been done without overtly or doing too much with the existing ecosystem. And what was a negative spot on the urban landscape, the negative has been converted to a blessing.
The idea is to demonstrate best ways of creating public spaces, to provide socially inclusive and equitable urban space for the city at large.